Okay, it says we're live. Now, just so you know, that's the best angle I can do. But we'll make that big. And if you're watching here, everything's going to look backwards, but I promise it will look forwards when you watch it. So, all right, so we've got a bunch of data here. We've got X and Y data. These are my data points. This is my mean. These are my standard deviation. As a reminder, I need to drop that off. So, the problem is I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so the formula that I'm going to give to you, does anybody have memorized, or is it just me? You have it? Sabrina?
Yeah, it's R equals the sum of the x's. No, the first x, and then minus x and line over it. And then over the
X and a line over it, it's called
yeah.
X bar. So I have to tell you a funny thing about that. We call this X bar. I had a friend and he had a teacher that was from India and he would say X ball. So he thought it was X paw. And he goes, no, not X paw, X ball. Anyway, it's fun. Divided by S of X times
y
sub I
minus
y bar over
standard deviation
S of Y. The whole thing over
n minus 1.
n minus 1. I should have picked a better marker. Let me turn off the light here because I can't see here. It's a little bit better. Hopefully you can see except for I missed it and it's way out of focus. Focus. All right, there it is. And I promise it looks backwards, but it'll be forwards when you watch this on replay. I'll use a darker one. Okay, so that's our formula. So how do we calculate the correlation coefficient? This is a good test question, except for it's only got 3 data points, which is kind of ridiculous if you ask me. If you're doing correlation on 3 data points, you got a problem. Get more data, okay? So how do we do this?
So you find the mean.
So we found the mean. They were nice enough to give it to us. We found the standard deviation. So those are the first 2 steps. The third step is,
Z-value of the x.
what'd you say?
The z-value of the x.
We did the z-score for the x, and we did the z-score for the y. Now, it was Arthur that asked this question, right? So how do you do that?
So so for x, you're going to subtract.
So tell me what to type or click on, or both.
Yeah, so equals b2.
Oh, except for we got to make sure we're fine. Sorry. That's the bummer about this is, are you going to focus? Focus. There we go. That's better. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so parentheses.
Parentheses. Very good in the parentheses because people forget that all the time. But none of you are going to forget the parentheses. Okay?
b2 minus.
Yeah, tell me, you don't need to say that. Okay. 4 minus the
6.
6.
And then divided by
the standard deviation method. Okay, is that correct?
No, that's right.
No, you have to
You
close
need
the
the
parentheses.
Close the parentheses now?
No,
No?
it's after the 6.
After the 6. Close the parentheses there.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
Don't you need to do like the F4?
An F4, where?
B6 or B7.
B6 and B7.
What'd you say?
B6 and B7.
B6 and B7.
Uh-huh.
Okay, very important. Okay. Who's studying with Kennedy?
Nobody.
All right.
She has work tomorrow.
Yeah.
What's that?
I have to work, so I can't study with them.
Well, that's good that you kind of study with them. All right, is that correct?
Yes.
That is correct. Okay. Can I copy that formula down?
Yeah, because you did.
Can I copy it to the right?
No.
I could copy it, but that would be a mistake.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, Clifton. Can you help me remember this?
Yeah, so it's going to be, equal sign, parentheses, C2,
The 16.
16 minus, the mean is 14,
14.
F4.
F4, he does it right away. Good job.
Parentheses,
Parentheses.
and divided by 8.1. 8.5.
The standard deviation here. Oops. Sorry, that was my fault. Divided by that.
F4.
Wait, something happened wrong there. Let's try that again. Divided by that and F4. Okay?
Enter.
What's up here? That one, I'll copy that. Okay? Now what? What's the next step, Maria?
Okay, and then you're going to multiply the z-score for x and y.
So that's right. Now, if you can put little things, helpers, so that I know what you're doing, you're gonna get more points than if I don't know, I'll just be like, oh, I don't know. Okay?
So
So
equal,
equals,
negative 1.1
here, 1.1
times
times
0.2.
0.24. Can we have 4 of those?
Sorry, what?
F4?
Yes. No, none of them.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. No on both of them. Okay? And then
Drag.
drag it down. Rachel, what's the next step?
Find some of them.
Find the sum of them. Now, I noticed you were looking at your notes. I'm glad you have notes, but you're gonna know that by tomorrow, right? Or at least Thursday for sure. Okay? Find the sum. Then, Buck, what's the next step?
Divide by
Divide by n minus 1. Divide by n minus 1. And n in this case is 3, so I'm dividing by 2. And then what? Is that the correct answer? Okay, you don't get any points for checking your answer, but you can walk out of that. You should be able to walk out of that test confident that you have the right answer or the wrong answer. You do it wrong. How do we check it? Coral. Okay. Highlight the X data. Comma. The Y data. Okay. You think we got it right? So, booyah. Okay.
Okay.
Does not make you feel good. So you should know if you get this problem right. Okay. I don't care if you leave the check there. But if that's all you do, how many points are you gonna get? Big fat 0. Okay? All right, so feeling good about that? Okay? All right, so do you want to take the quiz now, or do you want to keep doing this and we'll take the quiz at the end of class? Up to you.
No. No.
No what? We'll do the quiz now? Okay, so this is the review of how to do that. By the way, that sample size is ridiculous. Who does that? Okay? All right, so there will be 2 videos today. And I will stop this one.